Hello everyone. Welcome to Oye Quiz. Are you ready? Let's get started. There are 400 people in a room. 200 have left. How many are left? Answer: 400 people. Because the 200 who had fallen asleep were also in the room. I don't quarrel with anyone or fight, but I always get beaten up. Tell me, what is that? Answer: drum. What is one thing that will live if you throw it from the roof, but will die if you put it in water? Answer: paper. What is the one thing that goes up under the rain? Answer: umbrella. Do you know which ocean in the world has no water in it? Answer: ocean of knowledge. If the video is good, please subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell me in the comments how many riddle answer correctly. What kind of chicken is that which neither lays eggs nor can walk? Answer: simply dead chicken. What is one thing you own that other people use more than you? Answer: your name. Which animal cleans its ears with its tongue? Answer: giraffe. Which country has the largest army in the world? Answer: China. Don't sell it or run a solution. Whenever you want, it will come by itself. What is this? Answer: hair. A woman makes 30 loaves of bread in 10 minutes. How many loaves of bread will 5 women make in 10 minutes? Answer: nothing. 5 women will not bake a single loaf of bread because they will only make talk. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe to Oye Quiz.